Oh, Edie, it really is. And remarkably, she is staying so strong. And she also tells me she really needs to stay composed after seeing the man investigators believe murdered her son for the first time in 36 years. She says that she is grateful to law enforcement who never gave up and never forgot that freckled first grader. Solano County deputies wheel Fred Kane III into the courtroom. Now 69 years old, gray-haired and handcuffed in a wheelchair. He faces murder, kidnapping, and other felonies in the 1987 death of 6-year-old Jeremy Stoner.
Just like envisioning him yelling for me and his dad to help him, you know. So that's a lot of what I envision, a lot of, you know, trauma to him.
Karen Tabler also remembers how her youngest boy of 3 lived. She shares pictures taken so long ago.
In a lot of kids, I see Jeremy. You know, even my grandkids, I see Jeremy.
Tabler's even a great-grandmother now. Her hair also gray. And every day of the last 36 years, Jeremy never left her mind, her memories, or her heart.
When he used to sing songs or play guitars for us and jump off the table like he was a Van Halen band member, I mean, he was just a character. He was fun, loving.
February 21st, 1987, she left early for work.
Gave Jeremy a kiss goodbye, and that was the last time I seen him.
Investigators say Kane kidnapped the first grader from his Vallejo neighborhood, sexually assaulted and killed him. His body found 4 days later in Sherman Island. Detectives actually questioned Kane on what would have been Jeremy's 7th birthday, March 3rd, but they turned their attention to Sean Melton. 2 trials ended in hung juries, and the case went unsolved until investigators tested DNA from the autopsy. Technology not invented in 1987. They say it cleared Melton and linked Kane to the crimes, and prosecutors hope it brings closure to the family once and for all.
I feel like it'll be some comfort that someone will be held responsible for this crime.
Tabler hopes investigators get it right this time so the family can rest.
It could always, for some reason, be wrong or something, you know, so I'm kind of scared, because I don't want to go through this another time. I probably wouldn't be around another time.
Yeah, it's a lot to deal with right now. Now, Kane's arraignment, though, has been continued for 2 weeks. The public defender saying he wants to go over the 1,200 pages of documents that he received from the DA. He also says that there may be a conflict of interest since the public defender's office did represent Sean Melton, who was wrongly accused in this case. Reporting live in Fairfield, Michelle Bandur, KCRA 3 News.
So really quick, Michelle, did the Stoner family know this man, this suspect, Fred Kane?
Well, I did ask Karen Tabler that, and she says she doesn't recognize him the way he looks now, but she did say Jeremy's father had said that he may have been over at the house one time before, but as this court case progresses, more of that evidence will probably come out and we'll get more answers as to what happened and maybe why this happened.
Right. In the meantime, our heart goes out to that mom, Karen Stabler. Thanks for that, Michelle. Kane is now being looked at as a person of interest in a different homicide from the same year, 1987. Our partners at NBC Bay Area say Martinez police told them that they're looking at whether Kane is connected to the death of 9-year-old Eric Coy. He was found in a creek near Martinez Junior High School.